Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do a fun activity that you can try at home. It's called the Moving Water Doodle Activity. Well friends, we need some material. Ta-da! First we need a container filled with water. We also need a mirror and some board markers. Here's what you're gonna do. You're going to draw on the mirror using the board marker, and then we'll make it float on the water. Easy, right? Let's get to it! First, we're gonna draw a heart. I'm gonna use the color red. We're gonna fill it in with red, and now we're ready to make it float. After you're finished, just carry the mirror and let's make it float on the water slowly, like this. Wow, beautiful. All right, be careful when you take the mirror out. This time, we're gonna draw a star. I'm gonna use the color black. Once you color it in, just like we did with the heart, we're gonna carry it to the water. Again, be careful. Slowly put the mirror into the water so that we have a beautiful star floating on the water, like this. This time, we're gonna draw a bunny. First, I'm gonna draw 2 long ears. Then, I'll add some eyes, and then a mouth, and then whiskers. Now we're ready to make it float. Be careful with this one. You have to be extra careful. Slowly put it in. Uh-oh. All right. And now we have a cute bunny floating around. Yay! Let's draw some stick men. I'm going to draw a daddy and then a baby. All right, let's put them in. Let's make them swim. Slowly. Swim, swim, swim. Uh-oh, come on. Very nice. Now we have them swimming in the water. Now we're gonna draw a beautiful flower. I'm using the color red again. Make sure to color everything in if you want them to float beautifully. So color it in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of black in the middle. Let's make it float. A beautiful flower is swimming in the ocean. Can you guess what this is? I'm coloring it red. Now I'm going to add some legs. Ooh. What is this? Now I'm going to add black eyes. It's a crab. Should we make the crab float? Yes! Let's do it. All right, it's swimming in the ocean. This time, I'm going to draw many circles. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a grape. When we're finished, let's put the grape into the water. All right, so put it slowly. Make sure the top part doesn't fall off. Yes. And then gradually put everything in so that we have a beautiful grape floating on the water. Perfect. Wow, we have so many different shapes, animals, and letters. For our second activity, we're gonna do a race.
Here's how. Step 1. Choose your character. Step 2. Line them up. Step 3. Blow on the straw to make the characters move.
The fish won! And the crab lost. Was that fun? You can try it at home anytime you want. See you next time!